Good evening, good morning, good afternoon to all my viewers. I just want to show you how you can generate your electricity by yourself using your laptop battery and your inverter system to generate electricity for yourself at home. As you can see, this is inverter system, and this is your battery. This is lithium battery. This is another pack of battery, is also a lithium battery. You can create battery like this for yourself. You can also buy it in the market. This is the one that I created myself, that I looked up together myself. So this is 250 amps battery, lithium battery. As you can see it, this is 90 amps lithium battery, naked unpacked. As you can see, this is my solar system, solar stroke inverter system. This is my inverter. This is the charge controller. This is the charge control device. This is what you use to control the charging from the solar panels into your battery, to your inverter system. This is the charger, locally made. This is the automatic changeover that will switch from charging from the solar system or solar panels into charging from the electricity. If you want to charge from the electricity and at the same time you want to use solar panel to charge, so this is the automatic changeover that will switch between the charging of the solar panel to charging from the electricity, if you wish to do that. So I'm going to take you through how you can make this kind of gadgets yourself at home, how you can build an inverter for yourself, how you can build battery, and how you can bring all these things together to generate electricity for you at home. As you can see, this is the electricity generated from this device.